In this video, I'll show you how to improve your workflow and reduce back and forth with clients about their design by using a web design questionnaire. By sending your clients a link to a web design questionnaire before you embark on a project, you'll give both the client and yourself the best possible shot of starting out on the right foot. The web design questionnaire helps give the designer clear direction and helps the client taper expectations. I'm going to be creating the web design questionnaire using the form app inside WebStarts. I'll be displaying the form on a page created in the WebStarts editor. The questions included on the form are my personal suggestions, but feel free to modify them for your workflow. I've already created a website for my web design agency. I'm going to add a page to the website and call it questionnaire. I do that by loading the page editor, creating a new page, and assigning it a name. From the sidebar, click Add Contact Form, and now we're going to decide which things to ask for in this form. The first thing we're going to need is the client name. I'm then going to add a field to collect their email address. I'm going to add a field requesting their phone number as well. Now I'm going to get into the design-related questions. The first question I like to start with is, what is the goal of your website? Almost all websites are a combination of selling a product or service and conveying information. It's important to know whether their primary goal is to sell something, convey information, or maybe to capture leads. The next question is, do you have a brand kit or logo? If they do, it will give you an indication of the color scheme and hopefully the general marketing message. From there, I like to have a few open-ended questions. So the next field is a paragraph field. And here I'm asking the client to describe what they'd like their website to be about. In the next field, I'm asking for examples of sites they've seen that are similar or would be inspiration for their design. Now I'm going to add a checkbox field and ask them to check boxes for all the page types they want on their website. And then finally, one last question that asks the client to describe any other request they may have. I've successfully completed my form and placed it on a page. I can now share that page with prospective clients. I do that by copying the URL and sending it to the prospect in an email or text message, or by asking my clients to go to the website and complete the form. When they submit the form, I'll be notified via notifications in my WebStarts account, email, and text message. In the next video, I'll show you my process for creating a website for a client with the completed questionnaire. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to visit WebStarts.com to create a free website and launch your web design agency. I'll see you next time.